Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Pamela and I make content on all different things including horticulture, hair, bags, and my life. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe. And I also want to say thank you so much to my, to my cookie fam, my current fam, everyone who has subscribed already to my channel. Thank you all so much for all your love and your support. And I also want to say, don't forget to join my giveaway to win this philodendron, as a reward for you guys for just being with me, sticking with me. Yeah. But on today's video, I actually am doing a plant haul from Wish. If you ever heard of Wish, Wish is just this website where you can get things for ridiculous prices, and I decided to just do a Wish haul in like the plant section. So if you're interested in seeing what I picked up, then keep on watching. Okay, so welcome back. All right, I picked up just like a few things from Wish, and I wanted to see like what their selection, what they had. And when I went there in September, like early September, I went and I purchased these items. It takes about a month for these things to start arriving, and they do come in different packages, so do keep that in mind also if you're purchasing from Wish. But yeah, so everything came here, and the only things I've gone ahead and done is just remove my name from some of these packages, because I don't need to see you guys like knowing where I live showing something from Wish. But without further ado, I'll start with just the first one wrapped right here. I don't remember what these items are. Again, like I said, I purchased them a while ago, but any details that I still have in my archive, I will probably just like put it up in the screen too for you guys. So item number one from Wish. I've never purchased anything from Wish before either, so this is a first for both of us. Alright, so I can kind of guess what this is because it's so packaged in such a way. Oh, I can already see what this is. Can you guys see? Ugh, I don't want a big mess. Alright. Oh, I hate these little foamy thingies. Or else they're gonna get everywhere. Alright, so the first thing from Wish in regards to plant is this here. It's one of the, the little it's one of these like propagation things where I put my cutting in here and I can just hang it wherever I want. So pretty much kind of like so. This is how it's just gonna look hanging. And you'll see, as I focus on this, this is how it's just gonna look hanging wherever I want to hang it. I do have a cutting that I will put in this, so I'll insert a photo now like of the cutting that goes in here. But yeah, number one item from Wish is this. It doesn't even say what it is. It says gourd glass vase. This is what it is, and it has like just two little entries for two separate cuttings that you can propagate from. So alright, exciting. This is a good first starter. All right, next one. I by feeling this, I already know what this is. Let's open this package up for you all. All right, so this is item number two. I got one of these just like misters. I have a mister, but I wanted to see. This was like, I believe maybe $1 on Wish. So again, if I can find anything, I'll also try to link everything down below. But this is item number two I picked up from Wish. This is sprayer. It's called sprayer, and I got it in the green color. So cute. You hear it? This is exciting. So far, these are the two awesome things I picked up. Alright, so item number three from Wish. I don't know how to open this. So this one is a macrame cord. I don't know the measurements for this. It's 20 by 11. I'm not sure if it's like inches, but I'll also insert a photo of the exact macrame cord like this is supposed to look like, but this is from just like jute, a jute macrame cord, and this is just gonna go somewhere. Put maybe I might put my Hindu rope in this one, my Hoya compacta macrame cord. This is pretty long. You'll see. It doesn't even show on the whole screen. But this is the third item from Wish. Item number 4 from Wish. Ooh. Hola, mama. This is really pretty. Yeah. Recording a video. Okay. So this is item number maybe 4 or 5 from Wish. This one is a macrame cord, and it has these little lanyard designs. So I'm happy for this one too. So not bad. And the last item from Wish is inside of here. So let's just unbox it with y'all. Alright. This is the first thing I'm seeing. Can you tell from here already? Alright. I picked up another propagation station, and this is a double propagation. And it, as you can see, it comes with I have to literally physically screw these in myself, but it comes with 2 of the bulbs because I did the double propagation. And I guess just put all of this together. I'm not gonna do it on the video because so yeah guys, pretty much that's everything from my Wish haul. If you liked anything in this video, try and check in the description box below. I will try to link anything that I can still find that I can link in the description box below. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this kind of Wish haul featuring these items that are in regards to plants that I purchased. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, join this little cookie family because we're pretty awesome here, and I'll see you on the next one.